So guys, I'm going to solve the question number 23, and the question number 23 is all about calculate the power of a number using loop. So I'm going to explain step by step. The question step 1 is to define the base and exponent. In this step you define the base number, the number you wanted to raise the power, and the exponent, the power to which you wanted to raise the base. In this example we are calculating 3 and 3 to the power of 4. So initialize the result variable, like a variable equal to 1. You initialize a result variable to 1. This variable will store the result of raising the base to the exponent. Starting with 1 is essential because any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. Come to the step 3, implement a loop, right? Why loop is more important? What is happening here? You use a for loop to iterate from 0 to the exponent exclusive. In each iteration you multiply the result by the base. This process effectively calculates the power of the number. Step 4, output the result. Finally, your output the result to the console. You output the result to the console. Display the base, exponent, display the base, exponent, and the calculated result. Right now, this is the output. When you run this code with the defined base and exponent, it will output 3 raised to the power of 4 is 81. This is question number 23, which I told you about, and I explain everything about inside the calculate the power of a number using loop. So let's meet in the question number 24, and please like the video, share the video, and comment if you wanted to give me any suggestion on that. Yeah, if you wanted any question explain part, you can send to me. Alright, so I will explain to you all. So let's meet in the question number 24.